Hi everyone, I'm the Canny Crafter and it is day 16 of Barbara's December Daily, and today I am going to try prompt 2, use a napkin either as a background element or focal point. So I'll just mark that off. So we're now working on the back of tag 9. And to learn from yesterday's mistakes, and I was like, oh no, I've stuck it all down, I can't redo it. I cut a tag base out of some thin cord. Not very straight, I must say, but it'll not matter. And also, I'm so happy this worked. So I watched a video by Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah, and I will link that down below, about how to make your own napkins. Not make your own napkins, print on napkins, should I say. And this is like, you know how you get like different plies, and these are the bits we take off when we are decoupaging with napkins. So it's just stuck to some printer paper with double side tape around the edges. I selected my image, ran it through the printer. I mean, it did tear here, but I'm not bothered about that. And there's some ink residue here, but it worked. So I will link her video because obviously everything you need to know is there. So I'm just gonna cut it out really. And that can go in the bin. And then this should just release. Look at that. Ah. I'm so happy that it worked. Now I want to see which side of this I want. Do I want the pattern side? I actually want to tear around it a bit. Now I know you should use water. I think I am. I think I'm going to go and get some water. Got water, little brush, and I've just put this waterproof mat down. Still going to move my tags out the way though. And if we just draw around it with the paintbrush. The way we want it to rip. And it should rip along that line. And the only problem is I used pure ink, so we have some bleeding. See how the ink is bleeding a little bit? But I don't think that really matters. Okay. Bring the tag back in. Do I want it that side? I think it's a bit dark. That side, which might be a bit light. I pulled in my numbers. I'm doing a Barbara, everything's going bottom right. I think I like the dark. So I was just about to stick it down using some Pritt stick, and I thought no, it's too dark. So I flipped it over and now it's too big. So I got a new clear embossing pad, which I've not used yet. So let's give it a whirl. And you just want to really, ooh, that's fancy. The lid falls under it. I found this stamp. I don't think that's weird. Is it? Oh, and I'm using Cosmic Shimmer Gold Sparkle. Nope. There's some stick there. Hold on. Maybe we're just going to need several. It was brand new. Not really. Sticking like it should. It's just like a blob. No, no, that was a bad purchase. Let's go see what other ink pads I can find. Right, I know the silver one works because I've used that before, but I found a gold one. Oh, I don't know if this will work. My goodness, my ink pads. Let's see. I've just got this all over the place. Oh. I mean, it's done something. Let's try the silver ink. The silver, oh, the silver ink. I think is the way to go. Just have to clean around the edges of it every time I stamp it. Or every time I ink it before I stamp it, should I say. Wait, hold on, let's bring this in for reference. That is all embossed. And I'm really annoyed about that ink pad because I bought it brand new. So, I'm going to put some Prit Stick down, sort of in the general area. Turn that in maybe. Gently lay this down. Tear off the overhang. Now I want number 16, but it's not popping. I just ripped some of the drum off. It doesn't matter. Yeah, definitely glad I went with the lighter background. Definitely feel like it needs more. Just seems very flat and boring. Oh, a sentiment might be nice. Hang on, let's first find something to go behind this 16. I forgot a snowflake. I know we've got snowflakes, but do I have a suitable snowflake? Ooh, that's quite nice. I think I will rest. Too big or too small? Oh yeah, too big. But this one with the stars. like that one. I've not used that one. And guess what we're going to cut it out of? You got it. Gold sparkly card, because it's still kicking around on my desk. Okay, let's get rid of the glue book for now. Yep, and do I want those hanging over the edge? Let's see, because I have to remember this is going on the back of another tag, which has something hanging over the edge. I'll cut that off. Okay, I'm going to stick that down and use the green one. Ah. And hold it. Learned that yesterday. Cut that off there. And then stick the 1 and 6 down, and let's have another look at this. It needs more. We said a sentiment. I found a load of words and stuff when I was sorting out. So all of the sentiments I had were really big. They were on gift tags. So I pulled out this Deck the Halls, but I think I would peel it off the pink. Ooh. And maybe cut it down as well. Or Tim Holtz stickers, which I think is what I'm going to go with, you know. Let's see. There's always just so much to choose from. I thought I had 4 of these, I only got 3. It's too big. I don't know why, but I want something in capitals. Merry Christmas. Okay, so I have that. I still feel like I need something else. And I'm not going to be green. Oh, these are also on the desk. I've just decided if you want to use something, I'll put it on the desk. I'm looking for another green one. Ooh. I think that's it. I lifted it up without shifting them. I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I love it. And that's me, because I keep nibbling in people's houses when I'm walking past. See all the decorations. Okay, so now I have to stick it under that. I nearly forgot that step. Try and line this up. It won't stay stuck down. Okay, gently holding it down. So there we have day 16 using prompt number 2 using napkin, and I made my own napkin. Don't forget to head on over to Tina, Shabbydabbydoodah, see how you can do that. Me, that's what I do. If I could get that close with my little nose smooshed up, right up I would. So I hope you do try this technique, because if you've seen Barbara's video today, she was experimenting, and she's right, it is fun. It's also a little stressful, not going to admit. I mean, I will admit that it's a little bit stressful, but worth it in the end. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!